Whom do you like here?
You? Why? What? Because we are single.
My father on his particular marriage day, जब मेरे पापा की शादी थी, वो उस दिन अपने दोस्त की शादी में चल गए, कह रहे लंगोटिया यार बुरा ना मान जाए। इसी वजह से मेरे पापा मेरे चाचा हो गए और मेरे चाचा मेरे पापा हो गए।
बहुत गहरी मोहब्बत है। अगर वो आपकी नहीं होगी तो किसी और से शादी कर लेगी और आपको नस काटना पड़ेगा। इतनी गहरी मोहब्बत है।
Yes, sir.
तो क्या करोगे आप?
Then I will try.
हाउ विल यू ट्राई? चलो ट्राई इट। मैं शादी करने जा रही हूँ।
I am very loving parents. नहीं उतने बारे में नहीं। Sorry, sir. मैंने कभी करा नहीं।
क्या नहीं किया है?
तो प्यार।
Hey Vishal, you look so beautiful today.
है? खींचो ना, सुनेगी नहीं। और थोड़ा खींचो। सुन ले जरा एवरीबॉडी सुन ले जरा।
Today we have a very beautiful session, an amazing session, because it is gonna be about self-admiration. See, in the entire world, I do believe that no training, no mentorship, no teaching can work until and unless you are with yourself. And you have to fall in deep love with yourself. The moment when you wake up and you see, I am the most handsome person in this world. The moment when you see and when you look yourself into the mirror and you see that I am the happiest person of this world. The moment when you interact and meet someone, he or she becomes crazy for you. That what a person, what a legend I met. माँ की कसम, दुनिया भुला के बस इसी को याद करने का मन कर रहा है. This is what you have to always, do. You have to believe in this, because you will have ups and downs. I think on every moment, every next moment, you have a different emotion. If I talk about the number of thoughts, 80,000 thoughts are there in your mind every day, every 24 hours. Do you think that if you are not mature enough, you can be able to manage these 80,000 thoughts? Of course not. That is why some of the thoughts are just like this. But what if you are a deep thinking person? You take every thought for granted and very serious. किसी ने बोल दिया you look ugly today, तो आप कल से फगली हो जाओगे और आप उसको बड़ा सीरियस ले लोगे. तो इसीलिए मैं कुछ बातें लिखता हूं कि मुस्कुराया करो, राइट? मुस्कुराया करो. जब गमों के पहाड़ टूट रहे हो, जिनसे तुम बहुत ज्यादा गहरी मोहब्बत करते हो वो छूट रहे हो, तुम्हारे ख्वाब तुम्हारी आंखों के सामने टूट रहे हो और तुम्हारे अपने ही तुमसे रूठ रहे हो, फिर भी मुस्कुराया करो. मुस्कुराया करो. मुस्कुराया करो. जब कोई तुम्हारे खिलाफत करे, तुम्हारे खिलाफ हो, तब भी मुस्कुराया करो. तुम्हारे लिए कोई अदावत करे तब भी मुस्कुराया करो. तुमसे कोई बगावत करे तब भी मुस्कुराया करो. तुम्हें कोई छोड़कर चला जाए तब भी मुस्कुराया करो. और तुमसे कोई रूठ जाए, छूट जाए, तब भी मुस्कुराया करो. मुस्कुराया करो जब असफलता का अंधेरा तुम्हारी जिंदगी में छाया हुआ हो. मुस्कुराया करो जब तुम बार बार गिर रहे हो और लड़खड़ा रहे हो, तब भी मुस्कुराया करो. मुस्कुराया करो जब आईना खुद ही तुमसे झूठ बोल रहा हो और तुम्हें ये बता रहा हो कि तुम अच्छे इंसान नहीं हो, फिर भी मुस्कुराया करो. और मुस्कुराया करो, हर वक्त मुस्कुराया करो. दिस इज व्हाट. जब खुद के लिए नफरत महसूस हो, फिर भी मुस्कुराया करो. खुद के लिए खुद को ऐसा लगे कि मैं दुनिया से अच्छा नहीं हूँ, लोगों से अच्छा नहीं हूँ, फिर भी मुस्कुराया करो. एंड दैट इज व्हाई आई डू बिलीव दैट इन एवरी मोमेंट, एवरी टाइम, यू शुड एडमायर योरसेल्फ, योर पर्सनैलिटी. बिकॉज व्हाट द गॉड हैज गिफ्टेड यू, दैट गॉड हैज नॉट गिफ्टेड द सेम पर्सनैलिटी टू एनीवन. The God has not gifted same personality to anyone. I do believe that, right? The God has made one Sukhvinder Malli right? There is only one Sukhvinder in this world. There may be different Sukhvinders with same name, but there cannot be Sukhvinder, this Sukhvinder who is sitting right now, right? अब्दुल्ला इस दुनिया में एक ही पैदा होता है और वो सामने खड़ा है, और इसके बाहर अगर कोई अब्दुल्ला है तो वो अब्दुल्ला नहीं है. This is what you have to believe in and you have to understand. Here all the things come with self-admiration. Self-admiration is very important, बहुत important. आंखों में आंसू हो फिर भी मुस्कुराया करो. लोग तुम्हारे जज्बात से खेल रहे हो फिर भी मुस्कुराया करो. लोग तुम्हें तुम्हारी औकात दिखा रहे हो फिर भी मुस्कुराया करो. लोग तुम्हारे जज्बात को नहीं समझ रहे हो फिर भी मुस्कुराया करो. हर हाल में मुस्कुराया करो, क्योंकि मुस्कुराना फ्री में आता है. तो हर कोई इंसान समझ सकता है मुस्कुराना. तो आइए शुरू करते हैं. इन केस कि अगर आपको सेल्फ एडमायर करना हो तो कैसे करेंगे, और कैसे सेल्फ ग्रेटिट्यूड करेंगे कि दुनिया में जो आप है वो कोई और नहीं है. Nobody is there, or you have to do in English language. And this is a very big part of personality, because in this world, competitive world, the overthinking is increasing. You go every house and knock. Excuse me, थोड़ा बाहर आइए. बोलेगा yes. ओवर थिंकिंग है क्या आपको? अरे ये कोई पूछने वाली बात है? हमारे पास है, हमारे 2 बच्चे, उनके पास भी, हमारे शौहर जॉब पे गए, उनके पास भी है, मतलब हस्बैंड, राइट? सबके पास ओवर थिंकिंग है. आइए इस ओवर थिंकिंग के जंजाल से और कंकाल से निकलकर अपने सोच को थोड़ा विराम दे और अपने आप को एडमायर करे उन सब चीजों के लिए जो खुदा और भगवान ने बनाया हुआ. आई विल कीप यू इन सम मोड. मैं आपको कुछ मोड में डालूंगा and you have to actually admire yourself. I don't know how to play guitar. So when, for example, if I say pick the guitar and you just admire yourself. Hi everyone, it's me Abdullah standing here right next to you, right? And it's a very beautiful time to just, admire myself, because I do believe that I am the superstar of this world. Nobody can chase me, nobody can fight in race with me, because I was born alone. And here I do believe that I am the most powerful and most amazing in the world. Now if I say that, go to the mirror and talk to yourself. Hi, Abdullah this side. And I do believe that I have beautiful eyes. I have 2 good hands and powerful hands. I have great body. And I do love myself, because I am the most creative, most innovative, most admiring, most fascinating, most tantalizing, and more hot guy in the house. Right? So I do love myself and I do believe in myself. Right? इतना जो मुस्कुरा रहे हो वो क्या गम है जो हमसे छुपा रहे हो. राइट? तो अब यहाँ पे आपको ये करना. इफ आई से दैट कि अगर मैं कुछ बोल रहा हूँ, मैं अपनी आवाज को आपसे ज्यादा ऊंची कर रहा हूं, और फिर भी आपको अपनी एडमिरेशन करना है, इसमें कुछ वर्ड्स आपको ख्याल रखना बहुत जरूरी है. जैसे वो वर्ड्स हैं, जब आप एडमायर करते हैं खुद को, तो इसमें बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है, जैसे कि सेल्फ, राइट, सेल्फ मैनेजमेंट, सेल्फ इस्टीम, सेल्फ लव, सेल्फ मोटिवेशन, self analysis, right, self inspiration, self guts, courage, dare, right? Well said, well done, that's amazing. So these are the words you can use, right? I do believe that I love myself and I'm the most amazing personality in this world, and I have self-courage, self-belief, self-esteem, self-love, self-power. You can do in this. Can I call you now?
Not me, sir.
No, I'm not calling you now. Can I call you now for self-admiration?
Yes, yes.
खुद को एडमायर तो कर सकते हैं, 3 से 4 मिनट मिनिमम करना है. Can you do it, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Ankita Jain, come on.
Hello everyone. Today I'm going to admire myself.
Yes.
Today I'm going to admire myself. Actually, I love myself because I have a beautiful mind. I'm fit as a fiddle, and I can say I have a beautiful smile, I have a beautiful eyes, and of course, beautiful and amazing personality.
Mirror.
I love myself because whenever I see to myself, I fallen in love because no one is like me. And of course, my smile is when I see myself, I fall in love because
Gitar.
I am a golden heart. I'm very positive person. I am soft spoken girl, and I can say I love to everyone. I have a quality that I feel special to everyone, and of course, I have a good family.
Keep it. And walk. And look my hand. If it goes high, you have to raise your tone. If it comes medium, you have to just take your medium. And if it goes low, you have to make your sound low. Walk. Okay. Continue. Slow walk. Walk slow. Yes. Continue. Think about you more. Think about you more. Yes.
I'm very strong personality. I'm a soft spoken girl. I have an appealing personality,
Continue.
and I have a power. I'm beautiful. I can do anything. I achieve anything.
Give a huge round of applause for Ankita Jain. Right. That's amazing. एटलीस्ट एहसास हुआ कि कोई खुद की तारीफ कर रहा था. एहसास तो हुआ. ट्रस्ट मी. और आप लोग क्या? It's nice. You have done a good job, right? That was amazing. Please take your seat.
Well, the session is going on the topic of how to admire yourself. Well, I don't need to admire myself because people admire me. And I do believe that making people laugh is your biggest success. Yes, when I make you laugh, you give me positive result. You give me strength, and I take the strength, and then I make my money. Actually, I'm gonna talk about me. I'm the man of word. I come up with the integrity. I'm a diligent. I love myself. I love my voice. I love my face. I love my confidence. I love my personality. And Vishu, I love my figure as well.
Very good, Mr. Sukhila. Very good.
Yeah, that's what I am. Very nice person. I'm a bit emotional. I love people. I love making new friends. I love making people comfort. That is my strength. That is my power. And that's what I have been doing. And I will keep doing it. In forthcoming some years, or you will see the best transformation in me. That's what. Mirror? Okay. When I go to mirror, I always think, एक गाना आता है मेरे जहन में कि शीशे ने तेनू तकना सी मुड़ मुड़ के तेरे ते हसना सी ਇਹ ਵੀ ਤੇਰੇ ਤੇ ਡੋਲਦਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਤੇਰੇ ਤੇ ਆਸ਼ਿਕ ਬਣ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਜੇ ਸ਼ੀਸ਼ਾ ਬੋਲਦਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ
Amazing, amazing.
I love myself. I love my confidence. I love the people. I love me. And I want to tell
Guitar.
you. Guitar. Okay. And I guess, I think I'm a good father. I'm a good husband. I'm a good beta. And I'm not a good enemy. I'm not a good dushman. Because I believe in making good friends, good people. I want to make people laugh. Walk, okay? And I do believe that I will keep doing this and I will change your perspective as well. That keeping smile on your face always. That is the biggest weapon. That is the biggest strength of yours. If you keep smile on your face, that is a really nice thing. And keeping a smile, I have learned from my father. Because my father, on his particular marriage day, जब मेरे पापा की शादी थी, वो उस दिन अपने दोस्त की शादी में चल गए, कह रहे लंगोटिया यार बुरा ना मान जाए। इसी वजह से मेरे पापा मेरे चाचा हो गए और मेरे चाचा मेरे पापा हो गए। चाचा का प्यार पापा में रह गया, पापा वाला प्यार चाचा में रह गया। सब कुछ रह गया और मैं यहाँ आ गया और ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन दैट्स व्हाट ऑल अबाउट मी थैंक यू थैंक यू
Fabulous, amazing, बहुत अच्छे, congratulations, amazing, great,
थैंक्स टू यू
great. What a climax, माँ कसम, what a climax, amazing. तो सच में कुछ ऐसा हो गया?
मैंने कहा ना make people laugh
हाँ.
that's my motive
Very good, actually, it was amazing, great climax. Okay, welcome, new person.
Roshni in the house, ladies and gentlemen. Roshni. Very good. Go.
Okay, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Roshan Rajput, and I'm here to admire myself. So, as you know, I'm a very happy person and I smile the whole time, and I love I love myself the most.
Wow.
And
Yeah, go.
okay, so I have very beautiful hair, or not only hairs. I have very good, beautiful eyes, nails,
Uh-huh.
and everything is good in me.
Okay.
So I love myself the most. And I'm very happy person. Okay, and I'm very positive person. Okay, oh my. So I'm trying to play, but I don't know how to play. Okay. Yeah, I'm very positive person. Whatever I think in my life, thought in my life, I have achieved, and I will achieve whatever I want. So I love traveling, and I love shopping, and I love everything. Walk. I enjoy every moment. Okay. Okay. Can I?
सुनो
Okay.
relax yourself, थोड़ा breathing को relax करो.
3 questions,
Okay.
3 quick questions, right? Whom do you like here?
You? Why? What?
सर देख लो क्या हो रहा है
Because we are single. No. वो होता है ना, I love you as a friend. That kind of. I like you as a friend.
You will help me with?
फेशियल
No, he is married.
I
He
think-
can't help me.
Okay, so you like only me,
Yeah.
not anyone here.
Everyone I like. Why only you?
You like everyone.
Yes.
Okay. Who is your favorite in the house?
Oh my God.
Come on.
Everyone. One word. Everyone.
Everyone. Then again, Rhythm will be expecting.
Hey, my छोटा भाई.
Right. Okay. So, who is?
प्रसाद, रोशनी, रिदम, तो भाई बहन.
मैं मेरी बहन तो नहीं हूँ मेरी ऑलरेडी बहुत सिस्टर
जो प्रपोज कर चुकी हैं.
The last question.
Yeah.
The last question.
Okay.
Who is the funniest here?
सुखविंदर सर.
All right. The last to last question.
मेरी मैं दुश्मन हूँ
Whom do you think that you want to teach him or her something? You want to teach him or her something?
I don't know. Everyone is good. And
Everyone is good. You don't want to teach anything? Any lesson? Any suggestion?
be happy all the time.
Be happy all.
Don't, no matter what happened, be happy. Just keep him.
All right. Give a huge round of applause for us.
Thank you. What a apology. अरे मजाक कर रहे थे, इसको सीरियसली.
मैं अपनी मम्मी को भी लेके जाता हूँ, अपनी सिस्टर्स को भी लेके जाता हूँ.
I am ready to go.
सबको लेके जाता हूँ.
चलो अभी चलो.
Rhythm, don't be offended. Relax yourself, right?
Oh, sorry.
Cool down. It happens in life, right? Actually, ऐसे
सबको लेके जा सकते हैं.
नहीं बिल्कुल ऐसे. एक बार मैं भी ऐसे किसी से पूछा, मैंने कहा डू आई लुक गुड, तो कही यू आर ब्लैक. तो मैं बड़ा मतलब मैंने कहा ठीक है, लाइफ है, होता रहता है. तो होता रहता है. और अगर मैं आपको 12 साल 13 साल पहले का अपना एक फोटो दिखाऊंगा, यू विल फील लाइक कि आई एम एक्चुअली वेस्ट इंडियन. यस, मतलब गजब का है, मतलब सिर्फ मेरा दांत दिख रहा है. राइट. उसके बाद से अभी थोड़ा सही हो गया हूँ. तो मेरे ख्याल से रिजेक्शंस आर पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ, राइट. और अच्छी चीज़ है, राइट. हाँ, तो फिर जब उन्होंने कहा कि यू आर ब्लैक, तो तभी मैंने जाके जो है कि फेयर हैंडसम क्रीम खरीदी. तो तब से लगाया और थोड़ा सा सुधर गया हूँ मैं. नाउ एनीवे, नाउ लेट मी कॉल द नेक्स्ट वन.
Speak few things, Swaven.
by making eye contacts, right?
कितनी शिद्दत से तुम्हें पाने की कोशिश की है, कितनी शिद्दत, रिलैक्स इसको, हार्ट बीट रिलैक्स, कितनी शिद्दत से तुम्हें पाने की कोशिश की है,
कितनी शिद्दत से तुम्हें पाने की कोशिश की है
कि हर जर्रे ने तुमसे मिलाने की साजिश की है।
कि हर जर्रे ने तुमसे मिलाने की साजिश की है।
दुनिया ने कहा
पारों को छोड़ दो, पारों को छोड़ दो।
बाबू ने कहा, अरे छोड़ो, बाबूजी ने कहा, रिपीट करना है क्या? हाँ चलो तुम्हारा बाबूजी ले लेते हैं। बाबूजी ने कहा
पारों को छोड़ दो, पारों को छोड़ दो।
पारों ने कहा शराब छोड़ दो,
शराब छोड़ दो।
तुम कह रही हो हवेली छोड़ दो,
हवेली छोड़ दो।
हवेली कह रही है रोशन को छोड़ दो,
रोशन को छोड़ दो।
रोशन कह रहा है दुनिया छोड़ दो,
दुनिया छोड़ दो।
एक दिन आएगा जब दुनिया कहेगी ये कब्र और शमशान भी छोड़ दो,
ये कब्र और शमशान भी छोड़ दो।
बताओ मैं कहाँ जाऊंगा? ना कब्र में, ना शमशान,
न कब्र में न शमशान में गिर जाऊंगा।
पायर के पारों के पैरों में,
पायल के
Rhythm, you should take the lesson. Okay, so that's a very good thing. Congratulations, right? God bless you. Right? Divya, please be on the stage and try the same accent what I told you last time. Alright? I want to check it.
Hi, good afternoon everyone. Today I'm going to admire myself. So, look at me. I am beautiful girl. And you can say you are very cute as well as. And if I...
Softness in the tone.
Okay. Like some people sometimes said you are so ugly and you are not beautiful. But I सर्फ मिरर में और फिर मैं ऐसे बोल सकती
नहीं
ओके हाँ so but in my point of view I am very very beautiful girl in my life and in the world, so don't judge if you are not loving yourself, so nobody can.
Both hands on the table.
If I don't love myself, so nobody can love me. First you can love yourself. Like people said negative thoughts with me, but I don't care about those people who give me negative thoughts in my life. So like I am a today youth, so I am a well educated person. I don't care about those people who give me abusive language or give me body shaming thoughts and give me some.
Sit on this seat. Keep explaining.
So when I was came here, I met peoples, and those peoples are very 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 positive vibes with positive vibes in my life. Came positive vibes in my life, like no color, no body, no types is not doesn't matter. You are beautiful. You are beautiful. You can do everything. What I
Raise.
You can do everything, and I.
Trust me, it was awesome, right? It was great. All the ladkas, be shameful. See the ladkis. Interesting actually, right? लड़कियां खुद से सच में मोहब्बत करती हैं, लग रहा है मुझे, और आप लड़कियों से करते हैं, तो गलत है ना। जो खुद से मोहब्बत नहीं करेगा वो दूसरों से कैसे करेगा?
I'm gonna call one more boy in the house. Vishal.
You can see I'm fit. Why? I have a ball. I can turn the ball. I have a quality of.
Very good.
I have a quality of access.
Sir, wasting point. Very good climax.
And I know how to play the cricket. I am the left-hand batsman, and I also have the quality of bowling.
Yeah. What a twist.
And I believe myself. I can do it all the time. And hey Vishal, you look so beautiful today, huh? Okay, I tell about myself because I believe myself. I want to.
No problem. Is there any dupatta? For beauty. Come on, go.
Beautiful and handsome.
Yeah, continue.
You can say. Okay. You have two hands and you have 2 legs and your hairstyle is too good today.
Yeah,
Because
guitar in the hand.
and I know. I don't know about the guitar, but I try to play.
Yes.
One day I think if sir give me, then I will let it. I will carry it and try to learn how to play with guitar. And I believe myself. One day I become a great businessman. Walk. And I know one thing about me. One thing.
Yes.
One thing about me.
About.
About
Yes. Yes.
about me. I can do anything.
Anything. Anything. इस मत लगाओ हर
Anything. I believe one day I achieve my dream because I want to become a businessman.
Yes.
And I know I can do it all the things because I believe. And you also do all the things. Just believe on yourself. And just, you see yourself. And one thing's more. If you want to do anything in your life, just do it. Just don't think too much. And try to understand yourself.
Fantastic, ladies and gentlemen. Fantastic.
Yes, sir.
It's awesome. God bless you. It's amazing, actually. You have improved, right? Congratulations to you, right? God bless you. Go to Poland, right?
Yes, sir.
And all the Poland's people will be fan of you, right? But don't do for marriage. Anyway, right? Start it.
थोड़ा सा good afternoon everyone. My name is Roshan Kumar and today I
I'm going to admire myself.
I'm going to admire myself and I love myself because I'm the special and unique person in my own way, and I try my best every day and learn from
Feel karo.
okay, and I feel learn from mistakes, and I'm very dedicated. I'm very dedicated person and I'm very energetic person.
Guitar.
And ले लो.
हाँ, ले लो. Continue. Speak. Start. Continue admire yourself. Continue admire.
And I love myself because I'm the
Hold it like you are playing. Yes. Continue.
because I'm the one of kind. There is no one likes me.
There is no one likes me. नहीं, there is no one like me. Okay. Like और likes में फर्क होता है. Like me. Walk. Okay.
There is no one like me. I have own thoughts, on dreams, feelings. So
Make eye contact, Mr. Roshan. What are you doing, man? Come on.
okay.
Feel it. मजा नहीं आ रहा है. Feel नहीं हो रहा है मुझे.
और क्या बोलूं? And सर खत्म हो गया वर्ड्स.
खत्म हो गया. कैसे खत्म है? Hi everyone, it's me Abdullah in front of you. I really admire myself because I do believe that I have a great personality. Because when I wake up early in the morning, I go in front of the mirror and I feel that I am the most handsome person on this planet. I am the most creative, most innovative, most admiring, fascinating, hypnotizing, tantalizing, and absolutely captivating because I am the most special personality in this world.
Okay.
And if I talk about myself, I really love myself. I love my vocal. I love my local. I love my body. I love my mind. I love my voice. And I love my tone. I love my eyes. I love my hands. I love my power. And I love my capacity, my strength. And I do believe, ladies and gentlemen, every moment what I feel that I am the most powerful person on this planet. गौर से देखो, सबसे ताकतवर इंसान इस दुनिया का आपके सामने खड़ा होगा. फील करके बोलो तब मजा आएगा। ये तो आपको फील ही नहीं हो रहा है तो आपका माइंड क्यों ट्रांसफर करेगा मैसेज? नहीं करेगा। फील करो वो चीज सच में।
And I don't care what people think about me. What people think about me?
What people think about me?
What people think about me?
और थोड़ा what people think about me?
What people think about me?
और गहरा करो।
What people thinks about me?
और करो।
What people think?
What people think about me?
What people think about me?
Once more.
What people think about me?
Okay.
What people think about me? I have own thoughts. I understand my worth, and I believe that I believe in myself and don't need others. And I'm very responsible person towards my duties, and I'm very dedicated and very hardworking persons.
Come on. You have done a good job, but you need to feel, Mr. Roshan.
Yes, sir.
What's your name, by the way?
Roshan Kumar.
Are you from UP or Bihar? Right? Are you from UP or Bihar?
I'm from Bihar.
हुआ है कभी आपको प्यार?
Yes, sir.
How many times? जल्दी करो।
Once time.
Once time or one time?
One time.
One time.
Okay.
Breakup, patch up.
Patch up.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
मेरे साथ गाना गाओ। ऐ दिल ठहर जा।
ए दिल ठहर
यहाँ से फील कर गया। ऐ दिल ठहर जा।
ए दिल ठहर जा
जीने की कोई
जीने की कोई
तो वजह ढूंढ ले।
तू वजह ढूंढ ले
और गहराई से तू वजह ढूंढ ले।
तू वजह ढूंढ ले
घबराना गम से
घबराना गम से
अपनी खुशी का
अपनी खुशी
खुशी का
अपनी खुशी का
तो खुशी नाम तो नहीं है हाँ? खुशी का तू पता पूछ ले।
तू पता पूछे
बस प्यार कर
बस प्यार कर
इजहार कर
इजहार कर
है प्यार ही
है प्यार ही
गम की दवा सुन ले जरा
गम
सुन
की
ले
दवा,
जरा
ले जरा
खींचो खींचो
सुन ले जरा
ना सुनेगी नहीं और थोड़ा खींचो
सुन ले जरा
सुन ले जरा
सुन ले जरा
एवरीबॉडी सुन ले जरा सुन ले जरा
सुन ले जरा
सुन ले जरा
सुन ले जरा
ऐ मेरे दिल
मेरे दिल
सुन ले जरा
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 ये फील आना चाहिए राइट। आई लव माई सेल्फ ये वाला फील आना चाहिए राइट। ठीक है बिहार से आप हैं बिहार वाली टोन सही करना है वो। ऑलराइट थैंक यू वेरी मच नाइस
Thank you, sir.
ऑलराइट एवरीबॉडी राइट तो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू एवरीबॉडी यू हैव टू से लाउडर एंड व्हाट यू हैव टू से सुन ले जरा राइट उबैदुल्लाह।
I am very loving parents ने अपने बारे में देखा सॉरी सर मैंने कोई करा नहीं है
क्या नहीं किया है?
को प्यार
खुद प्यार है तुम खुद को आज प्यार कर लो दिक्कत हो जाएगी। और यू आर नॉट अ लविंग पेरेंट यू हैव लविंग पेरेंट।
ये मैंने I have two loving parents
टू लविंग पेरेंट। व्हाट्स योर एज? 17 साल की उम्र में बच्चे भी हो गए। अच्छा नहीं तुमसे पूछ रहा हूँ।
नहीं
हाँ तो आई हैव और आई एम
I have
या डू यू लव योरसेल्फ?
the truth honestly no
ऑनेस्टली नो सच में
No.
डू यू लाइक योरसेल्फ?
a little
अ लिटिल। डू यू हैव प्रॉब्लम्स?
not so many
Not so many. What's your dream?
To create a game. To create a game.
And to create a game, huh?
And makes my parents proud.
You want to make your parents proud, okay? So say that. Say with me. Hey everybody, I want to make my parents proud.
Hey everybody, I want to make my parents proud.
Go to each and every one. Go. Go closer. Hey, listen to me.
Listen to me.
I want to make my parents proud.
I want to make my parents proud.
Because they have so many expectations from me.
They have so many expectations from me.
They have so many expectations from me.
They have so many expectations from
Go. And I do believe I can make
my
parents proud.
make my parents.
And I also love myself.
And I also love myself.
If I don't love myself,
If I don't love myself,
I promise from today,
I promise from today,
I will love myself.
I will love myself.
So, Ubaidullah, do you love yourself?
From now on, yes.
From now, yes. Right? It's positive. Thank you. God bless you.